What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to walk you through how to do yoga crow pose. I know that it can seem daunting at first, but once you get the right form, it's actually really not that bad. My name's Gillian and I'll be guiding you on this yoga tutorial. So if you have 2 blocks, then that can be really helpful. If you don't have 2 blocks though, that's okay. You don't have to have them. So we'll start out with our hands shoulder width apart on the mat. And make sure you have plenty of room in front of you. If you do have a block, place the block about a foot in front of your hands. Bend your elbows. Place your knees on your forearm. Lift one foot up. And that's the first step. You can just stay here. You want to lift your abs and engage your abs. So just try practicing 1 foot up at a time. And that's it. You can stay here. Or the next step is to lift up both feet and try to bring your toes together. If you fall, then your block provides you with a little safety net so you don't come tumbling all the way down onto your head. So it's really not that scary when you have a block there. If you want an extra boost, you can bring the block behind you for your feet. So you might have to play around with what works for you. So step up onto the block. Bring your hands about shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows. Place your knees onto your forearms and lift 1 foot up at a time. This just gives you that little bit of an extra boost so you're not having to work quite as hard. So then from there, you can lift up both feet. Remember to keep engaging your abs. This is where you build strength. And if you need to, you can always come down with your forehead onto the block. And that's it. So I recommend just trying to do 1 foot at a time. If you don't have a block, that's totally okay. Just remember to keep your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees onto your forearms. Eventually, you might be able to straighten your elbows, but we will not worry about that at this point. I hope that helped you. Remember, don't get frustrated. You just need to practice and eventually you'll get there.